We are new residents of Sun City, Arizona. This is the first and biggest 55 plus community in the US. But before we show it to you, we have to go get our membership card so we can show you the different recreation centers here in Sun City. The unique thing about this place is that there are a group of houses, and each group has their own association. So and they have their own distinct design, which is good. There's a military base close by, so you hear that loud noise. See, where's that small airplane? It looks small, but it's not really small. That's not an airplane. So it looks tiny, but doesn't make a lot of noise. Paddle boats. So you can fish. See right here? Daily fish limit allowed. Daily fish limit allowed. Interesting. And then this is a walkway towards the gazebo. Oh yeah, you can rent like a, over there it says. Okay. Hi. Oh yeah, you want that one. And that's pretty big on the top. There's a big gazebo up there. Lagoons. Oh, there's a, look at the ducks. Ducks swimming. Let's go up. We're in the gazebo. The top gazebo. Nice. Nice. This is nice. Oh, paddling, 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 exercise.
This is for the game. I'm posting this. Pretend I'm not recording you.
Mountain View Recreation Center. Pool over there. Pickleball over there. Over here. And then they have a fitness center over here too. So they have a lot of recreation centers over here. You can just pick and choose which one you want. And here's a tennis court. Lawn bowling. This is another center called Sundial Center. They have their own mini golf, and this is where they hold concerts. Those this big center over here. So this is the indoor pool of this center, Sundial Center. It's a big pool right there. And there's another kind of pool. I don't know what that is in there. So there's two swimming pools. I don't know what the other one swimming pool is. And then right there's the gym. Right there. They have a gym. Right there. And they have different clubs. There's yoga clubs. There's calligraphy clubs. Arts and crafts. It's a good gym. This is another center. It's called Fairway Recreation Center. Here's another. This is the pool area. They have a walking pool. You can actually walk right there. And they have an indoor track. So if you don't want, during the summertime, you don't want to walk outside when it's hot, you can go inside. Walking track, indoor track, if you want to walk inside here. There's a lot of people walking here. There's the gym right there. There's a gym. So they also have a golf course in this center.
I think that's the name of the golf course. I think it's in my book.
Yeah?
You know what? I was thinking, we're going to play a week for Monday.
So this is one of the golf courses here. How many golf courses are here? 7 golf courses. And this is one of them. So this is behind the Fairway Recreation Center.
Akron, Ohio.
The second and third sessions, it drops way down.
So there I got
Well,
Good
that was
job, good
absolutely
job.
perfectly in the gap.
We are on the waterfall trail of White Tank Mountain. Cardinals Stadium. Whoa. Why did you let me? Oh my goodness. Wow. Open doors over here. What?
What's your name?
Rhea.
Rhea? And how old would you like to be today, Rhea?
25.
25? Perfect. all over now. Give a round of applause. On my count of three, let's end this chapter off with really loud Texas size. Yeehaw. 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw!